What's up, everybody? Andrew Binder back with another video today, and today we can obviously see Jaybird Tarah Pro, and this is the sought-after titanium Glacier, the gray ones, and I have been waiting to get my hands on these. They haven't been out in stores, and local Best Buy just got them in, so I'd recommend checking there, and most of them only got 2 of them in, so if you're looking for this color, definitely scoop it up now. I'm sure they'll be getting more shipments soon. But, as you can see, a bit reflective because the cellophane is still on it, so I haven't opened it yet. And I have these here because these are my trusty Jaybird X3 earbuds. I am moving up. I looked at the X4s. I don't think it was quite worth it. Now, obviously, as we can see, if we would focus here, we have quite a bit of wear on these bad boys. They have served me well. They haven't had any problems. I'm not a fan of the ear tips. They didn't stay in as well as I would like them to, but they have had their fair share of a run, and I've definitely learned this time to stay away from the white earbuds because they get, as you can see, very dirty. So let's get right into it. It's going to be a short, quick one today. I'm really excited to see what these things look like, as well as you probably are. So, take trusty knife, cut the cellophane. Maybe we won't be so reflective, maybe we will. Simple stuff. Okay. So, the outside of the box, as you can see, we kind of have a glossy finish here. Sorry for my crappy autofocus. Tarah Pros tells you a bunch of the features, color of the new headphones, side, normal blurb, back has, 14 hours of battery life, which isn't probably 14 hours, but I think the X3s were claimed at 8 hours, so it's definitely going to be better. IPX7 certified, fast charge, magnetic lock, good sound because of the Jaybird app, and a bunch of other features. So that's all something you can probably confidentiate other reviews for. So pretty simple. I have watched other reviews, so I kind of know what to expect here, but let's pull it out. Okay. Nice sleek design on that box there. Looking real good. And we get into the meat. Look at that, presented. This time with the X3s there was a glass case over the top. This time there is not. So if we could stop this autofocus havoc, that would be great. Here we go. Power on by holding the middle button, standard affair. Select Tarah Pro in the Bluetooth menu, and I already have the app. Another feature of these Tarah Pros that a lot of people I think are missing is it has a sort of feature in them that they can, there's a program that you can run that can get your sound down, that can understand you and the sound you're looking for, which is really nice. So here's the bag. All the ear gels and ear tips, which we might as well get into because the predetermined ones, with my experience, have obviously not been the best bet for me. They're just the fancy one-piece ear tips there. And in that bag also comes the clip for the shirt. And somewhere in here, these should have the new strap that they have currently released. So let's pull these out. Oh, wow. Okay. There it is. There is the titanium Glacier earbuds with the blue insert. Real nice looking. We have the Jaybird logo there. Focus. Focus. There we go. We move across here and the nice braided wire. Come up to the control here. And unfortunately the charger is proprietary, but that is okay as I already have been dealing with that for quite some time. Back seems to have a glossy finish on it. We got the ear tips there. Little bit of a blue accent in there, which is part of the reason I waited for this color to get released. And let's try that new feature. Oh, look at that. Nice that they can magnet together like that. That is going to be something I'm going to have to get used to. And also, another reason to go with these is because apparently, yep, they have the rotatable exterior, as you can see, and that is for the over-ear fitment, which is the way I've been wearing my X3s ever since I got them. So, yeah, that's what they look like. Definitely a little bit duller than what I thought before. I can definitely see these wearing, and the rubber's going to get dirty. But that is, you know, to be expected. The autofocus is absolutely atrociously terrible on my camera, so let's move on. Open up the package more. We pull that insert out, and the bag. Wow. I definitely do appreciate the carrying case that came with the X2s. I did not have the X2s, but I knew somebody who did. Different feel than the last one. Little Jaybird embossed logo there. Really like that. Appreciate that. And here is that proprietary charger that we're all so excited for. Definitely is color matched if you get the color matched variant, as we can see here. Just USB type A to proprietary, and there's the bag that comes with it. Real nice inside. Nice and soft in there. That is a soft material, which is really nice. So let's try this new charging mechanism someday. Someday. Unbelievable. I am super sorry for this, guys. Unbelievable. Okay. Oh, very nice. It's just magnetic, so I don't have to finagle the old one around to get it to go in there. It just attaches on like that, which is really, really nice. See those pins there, and then you'd have to get it into those side holes. This one, I can just hang on my wall and slap it on there, and we'll be ready to go. So I don't think I'm going to give you an overview of the sound quality because there are plenty of videos out there that already do that. I'm not sure what to expect from the X3s going to the Tarah Pros, but the X4s and the Tarah Pros from most reviewers seem to be pretty unanimous on the sound quality, as in they sound the same. So definitely going to have to try that equalizer, the new equalizer feature they have. So I think that's it. And your quick start guides. That's all that comes in the box. So thanks for watching. Just a quick one today. Little 10-minute video. New Jaybird nope, not the X4s. The Tarah Pro unboxing. Thanks for watching. Let me know what you think. Talk to you later.